Okay, this is a MacBook Pro A2141 16-inch. Now first one, connect the power. See the current and the voltage. See the current. Now you can see the voltage, right? It's 5 watt. T-boot sensor, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but the current is 0.5 or 0.6 T start. So this motherboard is working and normal, right? Maybe have the short circuit. Maybe the PCH or the other CPU not working. So now you need to check the dial. Okay, and then you will restart. So have the short circuit. Now you check the voltage first. You can check the NAND voltage first. You see that this is a NAND 0.9, and this is 1.8. Okay. And this one is you can see this one is no voltage. Okay, 0.5 no voltage. And now you can check the dial. It's short, right? 0, right? 0.5 short. And this one, this one also short. This one. So the problem is NAND, the NAND damage. Now we will start to replace the NAND chip. This motherboard have the 1, 2, 3, 5 NAND chips. You must replace the 5 NAND chips. And first one, use the holder to remove the NAND chip. Use this holder to remove. Okay, so first one, you can remove from this side or from the other side. Now I replace it from this side. Air gun. The first one to remove the black glue. So setting the temperature is 320. Okay, 320. This air gun. Now to remove the black glue, you can see I have the black glue. You see?
Yes.
Yeah, black glue here. And now remove the black glue. You can see this one. Use the tweezers. It's okay. Yeah, this one is okay. Then the next one. The temperature. You use the air gun is 420. Air is 42 to remove the SSD. Okay, start. Around the NAND, you see all around. This one is okay. Number 2. Now you add the flash. Use the soldering iron to clean this one first, and then this one clean. The first one you clean the high temperature tin, right? It's a high temperature tin. Now you use this one low temperature tin. It's 183. It's a low temperature tin to change the thing. Okay, now understand?
Yes.
Okay, the last one you use to clean the black glue. Setting the temperature is 320. Okay, 40 air. Understand? For me, I use the 2 chips. I only install the 2 chips. Okay, so you only clean this piece. It's okay. You don't need to clean this one because with the moment I solder bad. So 2 chips, no 5 chips. Understand? It's 2 chips. So I clean this side. Okay, so now remove the other side. This side, right? This side, 1, 2, 3. this I have the 3 chips. So now, okay, so now replay this one first. Okay, remove this one and this one for 5 chips, because this one is have the CPU code, and not this one. You can remove this one. Come on. You can see the clear, right? So you must sure this one auto paste is clear. And the other side, because with the moment you only install this one and this one, only install the 2 NAND chips. Okay, only the 2, this one and this one. Okay, find NAND chips. Now take the dial. Right? Normal. Right? 400. Right? Can you see? Okay, right? 045. So now it's normal. And this one is a 045. It's okay. And this one 0593. So 1, 2, 3 voltage is no short. But this motherboard, you can see before it's a second-hand repair. You can see this IC, NAND power IC, is missing, right? You see? This missing. So now you must install this NAND first. You can remove this side to this side, because with the moment you must close this side. Because you only install this church and this church, 2 churches. So you close this side, use this side. Now remove this IC to this position. Understand? Before this one is missing. So now I remove this IC. Then rebolting to install to here. Remove the 2 churches, this church and this church, remove, take out. Okay, close. First one, you add the flash and now clean the base. This one temperature is 300 is okay. After we reinstall this IC, right? Now you must check the voltage, check the NAND voltage, connect the power. The voltage is 5 watt or 20 watt. Okay. Yeah. Now you check the NAND voltage. .8 is okay. 0.9 is okay. 0.9. Oh, here you have the voltage, right? 211 is okay. So NAND voltage now is okay. You last one to install the NAND chips. And now install the NAND. This 86. A6. This one is the A7. This one A7. Install this position. Okay, this position you can see. This insert this version is 9200. Okay, the pin one here. The temperature is 120. Okay, 120. This one is okay. Now insert the next one. A6 into this position. A6 in here. This one. U91. Here. So this is pin 1 here. Install this position. U91. After you replace the SSD, it will automatically into the recovery mode, so you must restore. You can upgrade when it's a restore. When you see have the log, so it's a restore complete successfully. Okay, now you see. Okay, right? Display. So now it's a no OS system. You must install the OS system. Now it's okay. Display. Install OS system.